This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Derek Westley. Spacious home awaiting a new occupant. This home has an open floor plan with hardwood floors in all the entertaining areas, carpet in all 4 bedrooms, covered patio, formal dining room, and a large master en suite. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and 42-inch cabinets that offer plenty of storage. For more information, review the details below or contact Derek Westley at 972-293-4567.